If you have a Facebook page, the community tab is a great way to get a barometer of how people are interacting with your page, who's out there in the community, who's posting to your page, all sorts of different things that can be shown in community. And I'll show you how it works in this video. Here we go. So here I am on my page in the community tab. I can see things like top fans. If I switch that feature on, I'll be able to see who the most interactive people are with the page. I can see any friends who've liked the page, groups that are associated, photos from people posting to the page, and then some questions, various ones received over time, where have been mentioned by somebody else in a post, here by The Good Exchange, previously by Graphic Biz. So all sorts of things. So it gives you an idea outside of your own content on your page, how it's been received, who's mentioning you, who's talking about you elsewhere. I can see particular examples that would be good for this, would be a festival kind of event, things like that. Here, for example, this Greenham Festival, you can see on the community. Where the page was mentioned by the festival team, the official photographer of the event, a local enthusiast. So it's a way of being able to see who's talking about it, get in touch with those people and feedback to them. Here, for example, this post from a local news organisation talking about the event and what was going to happen. So it's automatically generated, it's part of the page, and it's all content added by Facebook. If I look under the 2020 Facebook interface, so switch to new Facebook, the community tab is accessible from the tabs menu here. So I'm going to community, and you can see the same sort of content. It's entirely possible someone messages the page on the page itself and you don't see it because it goes into the top right hand corner rather than in prominence. So by checking the community tab you can get the up-to-date information, and you've got all the options to share, like, comment, etc. So that's the community tab in 2020. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.